Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the NBA 2K25 game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application on your device, and after you have logged in, you will be taken into the store page. From here, just click on the search box and then type in NBA 2K25 to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page, where you can check out the trailer as well as the reviews. Scroll down and click on the Add to Cart button alongside the bundle or edition that you would like to purchase. Then you can click on the View My Cart button to continue towards your payment. Now you may use your Steam wallet balance or one of the payment methods from the drop-down menu. After choosing the method, just enter the credentials of the payment method that you have selected, and once your transaction is completed, the game will be added to your library. Then you can choose your install location and complete the installation of the game in just a few clicks. Once that is done, you can start enjoying the NBA 2K25 game on your PC. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install NBA 2K25 game on your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.